Subscribe to get smart, and to watch the latest videos first, hit the bell icon and you will be notified about the new videos updates instantly.
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Get Smart. We are helping you to master technology. This video is about how to enter and exit from download mode on your Galaxy phones. So let's get started. First you need to know, what is the download mode? It is also called Odin mode. It is a mode for Samsung devices to download and flash ROMs and kernels. After entering download mode, your Galaxy phone will say downloading. Do not turn off target. In earlier models such as Galaxy S3, S4, Note 4, the downloading screen is black with the Android logo, while in newer models like Galaxy S6, S7, S8, S8 Plus or S9 running on Marshmallow and above, the downloading screen is blue with a download icon. So let's go ahead and enter into a download mode. Turn off the device first, and then press and hold the home key plus power key plus volume down key until you get the warning screen, like the one here on my Galaxy phone. Once you get the warning screen, please release all the buttons and press volume up button to enter into the download mode. Normally, you can exit the download mode by long pressing power button. However, sometimes, the Galaxy phone just doesn't boot up no matter how long you press the power button. It seems like that the Galaxy phone is stuck at download mode. This often happens when the phone is soft bricked after a bad update or corrupted firmware flashing. To get out of download mode or Odin mode on Galaxy phone or tablet, you can try these tricks. 1. Force restart Samsung. To exit download mode, you can hold down volume down and power button and the phone will power off. If not, hold down the two buttons longer, for about 20 seconds. If the phone is still in download mode, try to press and hold all buttons, power and home and volume up and volume down, at the same time until the phone reboots. 2. Battery pull. If the button combination is unable to get your phone out of Odin mode, try to pull the battery out of the phone. But many users found that a battery pull is not helpful, especially for Galaxy Note 5, S6, Galaxy Note 8 and S8 with unremovable battery and back cover. 3. Flash a firmware. Another way to get Samsung out of download mode is by downloading a stock firmware with Odin. Before I end this video, if you want something specific to show in my next video, just say in the comment section below. If you found this video entertaining and enjoyable, give me a favor by clicking that like button, subscribe, if you haven't already. I'll catch you all in the next episode of Get Smart. Peace.